What is going on, adventurers? I am Hunter, the Adirondack adventurer. We are within the blue line today, and we're doing some duck hunting. I'm with Tyler.
How?
And today we're trying to put down some migratory birds. So duck hunting is something that I haven't really got into too much, but it's something that I've always kind of been interested in because duck is very tasty. And I've been wanting to do a lot of bird hunting mainly. So you're probably going to see a lot more bird hunting on the channel. Tyler and I are severely underprepared today. But we're ready to put down some maybe brown, right?
Yeah, like a hen.
Or
Brown.
like a goose.
A
Canadian
goose
goose is brown.
Brown and black and white.
You know, typically that is a hunting sort of, or a,
Brown. If it flies, it dies.
oh, that's a good one. I don't know if you guys heard that. If it flies, it dies. Unless it's a protected species.
We don't shoot blue herrings.
No blue herrings being shot in this video. Or ever.
Ever.
Okay, so I'm going to set it down. You're kind of going to watch us and watch us start blasting. And then eventually, once we put down a bird, I'll turn the camera and show you guys and be like, oh, hey, look at the bird. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch this video to the end because I am on the road to monetization. And every time one of you lovely people watches my video all the way through, it helps me out stupendously. Have a great day, stay awesome, and I'll catch y'all soon. Peace. Did you hear that? Geese already.
Love it. Love to hear it.
Because we can shoot geese, right?
I think so. Check the... We'll have to search it up.
I think we can.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can.
Yeah, I can't see dick right now, so... Ooh, actually I have a low light set.
I don't know if that was a reflection or not, but I might have just seen it. So I got all these fancy ones. Quack!
They are close.
Yeah, no, they're just over the other side of this island. Dude, look, and then we'll have a couple friends.
Oh, the close ones?
Yeah, dude, there's little pets.
Dude. It's like tucked in. We're gonna see both of us perfectly. Oh yeah, that's a good spot.
I remember one of the second time. Third time we went duck hunting. It was too hot. wonder if I should put the three traps.
They're like over there. Dude, if they fly over, bro. They sound like they're getting closer. Oh no.
Get ready.
Oh no, Tyler.
Get up.
Dude, they're definitely getting closer.
They might fly right over us, so get ready. Here, do this now. Because there's a good chance if they are coming here to land, they're gonna fly over this tree line real low.
Dude, they're getting closer.
Yeah, just kind of dip your head down. Oh, dude.
Oh.
They're way up there. I thought they were coming, but they might land. They're gonna land here, I think. Yeah, see, they're locking up.
Yeah.
So just kind of wait. But yeah, try not to. You can still
Yeah. Dude.
I thought they were coming over the tree line.
Oh, they're dipping. They're dipping.
They're coming down.
Yeah.
They just might run away. If you want, go out and grab them and then throw them to me. And I'll try my best to grab them. Yeah. Try not to get yourself blown away. Especially your...
Oh no. I didn't think about that.
That's alright. Yeah, no, that thing, that rubber thing, you take that piece and you just clip it. So pull it, wrap it around, and clip it to the front.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, they actually like to make stuff easy for us. Kind of crazy.
You be a goofy guy.
Ah! Oh!
Got caught.
Mile one.
Well, everybody, that's just kind of how hunting goes. So I think one of the big issues today is, well, there's a few, right? The first being that it's late in the season. Like, not late, but later in the season.
I'll chime in. I think the ducks like it here earlier in the season, but once it starts getting towards the period where they start migrating south, I think they start roosting and they start feeding in different areas. And I just think this is an early season spot, but let them know what our other speculations are.
So, as the illustrious Tyler said, it's like an earlier season spot, but there's also a few really good reasons why ducks and geese aren't around here. One, a very big bald eagle has been flying around, and a hawk, and those are two birds of those are two very predacious birds.
Very.
So, first duck hunting trip on the channel, failure
We don't know that yet.
so far.
So far.
But
We still have to go back.
we are not going to give up on the duck hunting, waterfowl, migratory bird hunting journey. Thank you all for watching. I am sorry that we didn't get anything, but that's why it's called hunting and not killing. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you all soon. Peace.